Thursday morning, and I don't know if you can tell by Rachel's attire, I'm not on the yard. Where are we? We're in Disneyland. Are we in Disneyland? Hey! But lads are cracking on. I've asked Mick to take over the filming duties, so we'll see what he comes up with today. I always give shout outs to local businesses, so the reason we are here is because Rachel's... When did you start doing it? March. She started doing, what's it called? Travel agent, but obviously, so you get access to all the same things as Thomas Cook and all the others, but without obviously the overhead. So what did you save on this trip?
I'm not allowed to say that, I'm not allowed to tell you.
Oh, we're not allowed to tell you how much we saved. But yeah, if anyone's looking for a holiday, give the travel buyer a shout. And then she won't moan at me for recommending all the local businesses and not her. Just on another call out, apparently the storage tank is leaking. He said you can't miss it, it's got ears on it. So we're going to go and have a look at this one now. See if we can go on a few rides in between. Oh, that was worth it. 50 minutes more. Friday morning, we're here on project demo. Let's go. So on this one, this is going to be another luxury HMO. So we're going to take this wall down and put a 3-metre extension in. We need to gain some more square metres to get the 26 square metre communal area space. So we're going to put this wall down, take the footing out, so we want the footing 600 wide. We want to go down to like 800 to a metre deep, like minimum really. And we'll bring it out, we'll build this up, steel across, because this is going to stay like single extension. And then the back, we have another steel to take it right up then to the top for the dormer. If you put another steel in, sit that on the dormer. And then we're going to get king span right through, concrete the floor. So we get this up to damp first, get the king span visqueen in, get it all insulated, type 1 MOT, we'll blind sand it, get the visqueen in, the king span on, concrete it, we'll put the visqueen over the top of the king span as well, then get the concrete on top of that. Once this is all concreted through and it's up to damp, then we'll bring in the genie lift. And once we're ready, we'll these the nib here, and now we can get the steel set in pretty much once the concrete's in. And once the back's built up, we can get the back steel on. This is just going to go back up to its original height, and then this is going to go straight back up to the top with the dormer in. And it's going to have like a bit of an offset on the dormer here to come out for bedroom number 3 in the dormer. And then pretty much once that's in, we're ready to start putting the dormer roof on. Start getting it all kitted out inside, trying to get it waterproof. Now I've got daylight. In episode 32 we had the leak, which was the gutter full. So the water's just coming down, torrential rain, jumping the gutter. As you can see the stains on the gutter, it's just been running over it because it's full of weeds. And what it is, the rain's come down, and as you can see, the water's getting under his sill and running behind his felt into his kitchen. As you can see, look at that. Bob the Builder's been in with his mastic gun and gone silicone crazy, which got green bitumen mineral instead of proper lead. So that's why we've had that problem. So we've extended the gutter for him. So you can, well, looking at that, it's probably just going to overflow still, but that's what's happened on that one. how did we get on with the driving lesson? So we're just off the yard to drop these bricks off. Got Lewis and Ben stacking the bricks on pallets. If anyone's looking for 73mm recycled brick, give us a shout. Just have about at least 2,000 or 3,000 worth now. While I've been working around here as well, I've noticed that some of them every trade vans are on our turf, so if you're watching Chris, they end up on bricks, then don't be looking at us. Talking about vans, if anyone's got a long wheelbase Sprinter or Ford Transit long wheelbase, give us a shout, and we're after ones when the vans broke. So we're just pulling up to the yard now, aka Coronation Street. You're going to lose your hammer, you know. You haven't took your hammer off. About to be buried. Poundland hammer.
You put it on the back of the
Here's the boy stacking the bricks. How many bricks do you reckon's here? All the pallets. Anyone wants any 73mm recycled brick? 4 on a pallet. Price to be confirmed. All the people that do this vlogging daily as well, got to take your hat off to them. It's not anything, oh yeah, just talk to a camera and it's that easy, but trying to figure out what to say and do, it's hard. Like, you need a little script or something, so I need to set up vlogging classes to come up with ideas of what to do and say. Like, if you want them people who can just talk for hours and rattle on, then it's right up your street, but someone who doesn't talk much, it's hard. Like, explain to the people why you don't have to work.
What are you doing? You mentioned my name. Your house is on fire.
Well, we need to know. I want to give my job. I need to know what you'd have to do to be royalty. Competition time. Whoever can say in the comments what them tiles are called, they'll win a free Bowden Builder hat. First one to comment takes the hat. What are we saying then? Like, comment, subscribe and all that. If you read the news, if England win, we get the day off Monday paid.
Okay, aren't we?
Yeah. Bank holiday Monday.
Like and subscribe, no more. It's now as to do 21 East. Thanks for the time.